All right, now we're going to begin to put in some interior walls. So I'm going to go back to the wall tool, change the wall type to an interior 2x4 partition with 1/2 inch gypsum wall board. I want to make sure that my location line has been reset back to wall center line now, because we usually locate interior walls by their center line. And then I can begin to draw some lines. Just going to reference our plan again, and I want to create a wall rather, that's around 10 feet in from the back side of the wall, and I'm going to create a space for the bathroom area and a little hallway. Okay, and I'm just going to eyeball those things now, and then we're going to see what fits. So I'll begin first by putting this wall in at around 10 feet. And then I will draw walls in here, here, and then I'm going to create kind of a hallway area here. Okay? As we place information into these spaces and we check to see if they meet code requirements, we may have to make adjustments to those wall positions. Now I do want to break this wall open here so that we have a corner here and a corner here that we can put doors into the bedrooms. So I don't want wall from here to here. In order to do that, we would go to the Modify tool, and I want to put a split in that wall. Now you can see a line dividing the wall into two pieces, and then we can use this fillet tool or trim tool. Works a lot more like fillet in AutoCAD, and I can fillet those two wall corners together. Same way that we can adjust exterior walls, we can adjust interior walls. So this is showing us 9 feet from the center of the wall rather than the outside face of stud. I want to adjust the witness line here and move it to the outside face of stud, and then I can put in a more reasonable dimension. So I may want to change that back to 9 feet, but based on the outside face of stud. Do the same thing on the other side. Remember that rooms have to be a minimum of 7 feet wide from inside to inside, so I would make an adjustment to that to make that 9 feet as well. And then what that gives us is the leftover space in the middle for our small bathroom.